What's up, everybody? Um, just a quick little video. It's going to be super small, maybe a minute and a half. I don't know. Just kind of a fun little um, time-lapse video that I made from a couple years ago that apparently I never finished editing. So, yeah. Um, I was at a event. It's been, no, I don't know, maybe 7 years um, since the event, way before COVID and all that stuff. So it was kind of a fun little thing that I was trying to produce and just never got around to actually editing it. So it's just a little time lapse. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's late. It's like 1:30 in the morning here, and I just figured I'd make a little intro to why there's a time lapse. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Got some cool stuff coming up on Friday. There's something really fun with the Subaru. I like it. Hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, I will catch you later.